Hey y'all, hey. Good morning. Yes. Okay. So today we doing I'm doing a fantasy makeup tutorial. By no means am I a makeup artist. However, uh, when I'm about to perform for my man, we about to get it in, whatever, or my man for the day, other night. I go through all this. So the one thing I did do was these fucking eyelashes. Oh my god, yo, I don't know how these women be wearing these shits on the daily, like outside, like on the regular. They're fairly long, which I think like long eyelashes is for you when you about to perform or some shit. And I'd be like, why how these bitches is outside with these shits? But whatever. So, and it give you that type of look, and my eyes are already small. I didn't want to show you how I put these shits on because, it is just a mess. I am not good at it. It is so many tutorials out here that y'all can figure out. Just get as close as you can to your your eyelashes and put them shits on. And the way I do it is to say, I'll be like, bitch, please. So anyway, I'm going to start out with so I have some makeup over here, my little makeup bag of things when I'm about to get ready to get it in. So what I do is I outline my face. Now this is fantasy makeup like if you're about to perform, because y'all know I used to be a exotic dancer as well as a burlesque dancer. So the makeup is like just everything. Oh, I forgot my fucking what's in it. We have to go over there and get that. But anyway, so I'm gonna start here, like just make a outline. All right. It's a nice little outline. And however you want yours to be is how you want yours to be, right? So I kind of always like to do this. This is like my favorite. And, like that. So you just make a nice little outline. So I like that cat look. I guess it's a cat look. I don't know. And, you just do like that. And as you can see, this one is lower than that one. Or is it? I don't know. These motherfucking eyelashes is so goddamn fucking mega thick. You can't even see through them bitches. Okay, but anyway, so all I do is just fill the shit in. And you can use any color. You're gonna see how this work out. I'm not even gonna tell y'all the color I'm using. You're just gonna see it when I put it on. And this makeup that I use is it has like a consistency of a paint. Like, is that right? Yeah, I think. So although the outline is black, it's okay. I'm using white. These goddamn eyelashes. Shit. It don't even matter. You can go, although that's black, you can easily like go over that shit. Or leave it, because I may do that. You allow yourself to just be as creative as you want to be. So look, why don't pay this shit is? So look, I don't know. Everybody's talking about this Dave Chappelle shit. Did anybody watch it? I'm sure everybody did. And it's so funny. Ever since like they've been going crazy on Twitter or all out in these motherfucking internet streets. He was number 4. Now that motherfucker ain't up there no more. Like as the top 10. Now he ain't up there no more. That shit is hilarious. Oh, damn. So, so I watched it and like it wasn't funny. It wasn't ha funny. Like and Dave Chappelle to me he's a great storyteller, right? Like a folklore teller, which is something prominent in the African community, right? The elders tell the stories to the young ones, to keep shit alive, right? And so his story was about, about the LGBTQ and also the transgender. And I didn't say that. I don't think he said anything. Now, mind you, it's a joke. You can't take jokes like, I don't know. Maybe you just don't have a sense of humor. And a lot of people don't have a sense of humor, and that's okay. As you can see, like this one is lower, so I have to bring this one up too. It don't matter. And mind you, this shit, what I'm doing is for the bedroom, or even like stage makeup. If you are a burlesque dancer, is where this shit would be, or in the arts or something, and you doing some type of performance. But we focus on the bedroom and here. So anyway, he was. It was mainly him telling the story. You know, it was threw some jokes in there from time to time about the LGBTQ. Like I didn't find like it wasn't. I mean, I'm not that. I'm not LGBTQ, but I didn't think that he said anything that was like offensive. Offensive. Now he did say one thing about uh, that he was raped by a priest, and he was like, "No, don't feel bad for me, because I like coming in his face." Now that was disturbing to me, but it was a joke. Like you know what I'm saying? Um, but people have to learn. Okay, you see how like this is so to have a sense of humor. I don't think he said anything that was offensive. You know what I'm saying? I think that they can be too sensitive. And also, like the black people that's going in on him, like he was mainly talking about the white people. And also, y'all already know that like all these laws and shit like that, like for the LGBTQ, like who it mainly benefits? Caucasians. Like, come on, y'all, stop. But y'all had to listen to the shit. And then he was telling a story about his he had a friend like he befriended this LGBTQ, and you know they were friends, and she came to his defense at one point on Twitter, and they said that you know, they mega dragged her. But I won't tell you all the whole shit if you ain't seen it. But fuck, let's act like you did, because everybody talking about the shit. Like they mega dragged her on Twitter and shit like that for defending Dave because she was Dave's friend and she knew that, you know, just like, okay, look, let's just talk about this shit. Like, what's this dude's name? His name is Tom Saget. I believe that's his name. I believe something like that. I like him as a comedian. And he said, yo, where my N words at? You know what I'm saying? Like, I was like, yo, you don't get to say that. But I was like it wasn't, because of the history of that word, I think that he set that joke up just right. Like to where, you know, you wouldn't be so like, wait a minute, what the fuck is you talking about with my motherfucking? But it was a joke too, like, but the history of that is serious. Not taken away from the LGBTQ, but y'all motherfuckers gonna stop trying to act like y'all as have been oppressed, like, and continue to be oppressed, like African Americans. Now the gay blacks, yeah, like you motherfuckers should be standing up for your rights because from what I understand, like all these benefits and shit goes to them. You understand? Well, y'all motherfuckers need to be in line for that. You know. Okay, so that's that. And then people, this is fantasy makeup for the bear. I'm not doing no contouring or anything like that. It's not that serious. It's like you creating a fantasy. I always like a red lip, right? And also to make your shits even more juicier, we'll get to that point in a minute. So, like it's a simple eyelashes. Get your what's the name ready? I have a wig that's already that I kind of already did some shit too. Like I put it in a bun. Now this the good thing about a wig, ladies, is you can manipulate that shit any type of way that you want. So I have it in a bun in the back, well, a messy bun. You know, you want to have some face shit going on. So, oh, do y'all people? I'm in the kitchen, right? The kitchen is the place, like, y'all remember, like, How you used to get ready, your mother didn't want to get ready, or they pressing your hair or something. So I want to bring that back. See, it's all hysterical. I said hysterical. Historical to the black culture. You understand what I'm saying? So you just, do whatever you want to that. You just fix it. Mind you, there's no, you don't want it to be as perfect as if you're going outside, right? That's different. But yet you do want to be in place, right? You want your shit to be pretty, like you to be sexy and sensual and shit. So we got this going on. Why the fuck? Okay, I gotta pull it down. I don't have a brush. Okay, that's weird. And then you just pop on your earrings. Pop on your motherfucking earring. And to make your lips even more juicier, to make them shits look real juicy. You just add on, this is some lip gloss. And you pile that shit on. And you be like, when he come in the door, you be like, hi. You know what I'm saying? Take that dick out. Oh, you took that down. Oh, and then, I had a guy who didn't like makeup. He liked me to put it on. And then what he would do is just take it all off. He'd just mush my face and shit like that. So if you got one of them type, that'll be good for that too. And also if you at home, like this shit is like messy. It'll be all over the place. Or he'll like, don't like all the lipstick. He like to see it. Like he'll grab my face and be like, he like to see my lips looking all juicy and shit. And he'll just rub that shit off and rub the shit off my face. It was real sexy. So it's just a playful thing. So y'all just play around with it. You know what I'm saying? Get you a wig. You gotta have the shit in your bewitching bag. Your makeup. It doesn't have to be perfect. Your eyelashes. You can see I got really teeny tiny fucking eyes. Like, and all that, and you just do all that. You don't need none of this and nothing, like just some of your eyes. Eyelashes is optional, and the lips. You know what I'm saying? And then of course the big reveal is under here. So ladies, you try, okay, and do that for your man. So this is gonna be my tip for you today. So you have this already. Let's say you do have on the lingerie or whatnot. And when he come in, you wait for him at the door. When he come in, you sitting there, you on your knees, and you got your mouth like that. And he gonna instantly take his dick out and put it in your mouth. And y'all gonna have a good time. All right, people, have a good day. See y'all soon. Peace.